Ohio, known as the Buckeye State, is rapidly becoming a powerhouse in the technology sector. Today, we're exploring this remarkable transformation and its far-reaching impacts on inclusivity and investment opportunities. I'm Olivia, and this is Buckeye Bites. Ohio's tech landscape is evolving. Once dominated by manufacturing, the state is now embracing the digital age. Cities like Columbus, Cincinnati, and Cleveland are turning into tech hubs, attracting startups and established companies alike. But what's driving this change? A combination of factors: supportive state policies, investment in education, and a growing talent pool from top universities. This shift isn't just about economic growth, it's about inclusivity. Ohio's tech sector is pioneering efforts to bring diverse voices into the fold, ensuring technology benefits everyone. Tech education programs targeting underrepresented communities are breaking down barriers, fostering a more inclusive tech culture. So, what does this mean for investors and entrepreneurs? Tremendous opportunity. Let's break down the key markets. Firstly, healthcare technology. With Ohio's strong healthcare infrastructure, health tech startups are booming. Next, smart manufacturing. Leveraging its manufacturing heritage, Ohio is leading in industrial IoT and automation. And let's not forget about Fintech. With a solid financial services sector, Fintech startups are finding a fertile ground here. These sectors aren't just thriving financially, they're driving social change, making technology accessible to all, and contributing to a culture that values diversity and innovation. Ohio's story is one of transformation, from industrial roots